2023 Range Rover Sport. Following in the footsteps of Land Rover's Range Rover, which just had a significant redesign, the Range Rover Sport, a more compact and sportier version of the Range Rover, is also undergoing a redesign. The most interesting and innovative feature of the Range Rover Sport model that will be available in 2023 is its newly added electrification. At launch, customers in North America will have their choice of 4 different powertrains. By 2024, however, an all-electric variant of the Range Rover Sport is anticipated to be on the market. If customers do not want any of the electric features, they will choose between 2 powertrains that are mild hybrids, a plug-in hybrid car, or a twin-turbo V8 engine. So, what's more? Well, let's get started. The electric revolution has put a lot of pressure on the new Sport, which is why Land Rover decided to use their versatile MLA chassis architecture. It provides a high level of performance irrespective to the cost. The P360 mild hybrid is propelled by an Ingenium 3.0-liter inline-6 engine, generating 355 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. On the other hand, the P400 mild hybrid generates 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. A plug-in hybrid electric vehicle version of the Range Rover Sport is called the P440e Autobiography. This model has 434 horsepower and 619 pound-feet of torque. It can travel up to 48 miles solely on electricity thanks to a battery pack with 31.8 kilowatt-hour of capacity and an electric motor of 105 kilowatts of power. The flagship engine is a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 that produces 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Every new Range Rover Sport model comes equipped with a ZF automatic transmission with 8 gears, an air suspension that can be adjusted, and intelligent all-wheel drive as standard equipment. According to the manufacturer, this design decision allows the new Sport to be outfitted with a turning circle of a hatchback, which contributes to the vehicle's low-speed agility and its high-speed cornering stability. This time around, the new Sport is equipped with the Terrain Response 2 technology and adaptive off-road cruise control. These features make it possible for drivers to focus on steering while their vehicles take care of the engine. If you look at this SUV from a distance, you'll see that it has recognizable sport design components, but they've been reorganized with a smoothness reminiscent of the Velar. It has new small headlamps that are the thinnest that Land Rover has ever installed on any of its vehicles. Everything has been compressed into an extremely flat wall of a face, thanks to a bumper incorporated into the design and little surface flaring along the edges. According to the manufacturer, the new Sport is so streamlined that it has a drag coefficient of only 0.29. Amazing, right? However, one of the most challenging components of creating the new Sport was revising the grille on the front of the vehicle. In addition to automatic emergency braking, wade sensing, and maneuverability lights, all Sport models will now feature advanced cruise control with driver monitoring, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Additionally, all Range Rover Sport models now feature the company's 3D surround view camera and ClearSight ground view camera, which lets you see through the hood and front of the vehicle on screen for careful off-road maneuvering. To produce a more sophisticated and sleek style, there is less surface flaring and less intricacy in the trim than there was in the previous version. The new Sport has a sportier appearance in profile than the model it replaces, thanks to a broader and more sweeping back roofline and a shoulder line feature that continues uninterrupted from the headlight to the taillights. The design team was pleased with the new Sport's flush glass glazing, since it covers any unsightly trim edges by tucking them away between the window and the body. In addition to the flush door handles and soft-closed doors that made their debut on the Velar, the Sport also obtains the flush door handles offered by the manufacturer. The new SE Dynamic trim level of the Sport comes with Satin Burnished Copper finishes on both the front and back bumpers. The grille and inscriptions are graphite colored, and the wheels are satin gray alloys. And the Dynamic Response Pro, a 48-volt electrical system for active body roll control, will be included with the Stormer handling pack for the first year it is available. And thanks to the revised seat design, which incorporates massaging capabilities and winged headrests, rear passengers will have access to 0.8 inches more legroom than they did in the previous generation Sport. The undiluted soundtrack of the engine's sound is maintained while the active noise cancellation system reduces the outside noise of the road and the tires. Talk about a smooth ride inside the luxury all-new Range Rover Sport. If you enjoyed watching this video, check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.